Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing It. Now today I'm going to be saying why I think you should not buy these headphones after all. Now these headphones are the Sound Intone CX-05s. And you may recall in past videos I have reviewed them and said that they're really good headphones for the price. They cost around $20 last time I checked. And they had some pretty good reviews on Amazon. I had seen some other people on YouTube say some good things about it. And so when I actually first originally unboxed it in the video, I think it was called like, how are these headphones only $20 or something like that. I'll drop a link down in the description below if you want to go check the original video out. But basically, based off of those other reviews and, people that I had seen say good things about it, when I first saw it, I was, pretty impressed for how this did, for the most part at least, live up to most of the hype that a lot of people were building this up to be. And I made like 2-3 videos on it. The second one was me comparing these headphones with Beats headphones. And if you want to go check that video out, I'll leave it right up there or down in the description below. Then I ran into an issue. So, for some reason, when I was listening to these headphones, I was just listening to like music or something like that. And then suddenly I heard like a crackling or a pop, something like that. And so, of course, I naturally just took the headphones off. And then when I put them back on just to see if they were okay or something, I believe the right ear cup completely stopped working. And even to this day, there's no noise coming out of this ear cup whatsoever. And then with the left ear cup, there was very minimal noise. You could tell that there was something coming out, but there, not enough to be able to actually listen to something and not have any complaints. That's just one of the couple problems that I've been facing, because there are others, but that's the most severe one. Now, if the headphones itself didn't happen to break, I would probably still be more towards the side of recommending these headphones, because aside from some of the problems I've been facing, these are pretty good headphones. They have really great build quality. You got some metal there, you got a nice, matte texture on here. Just overall really great build quality. And of course, you can fold it up and stuff like that for if you're traveling or something. And to clarify, these are not wireless at all. Again, like I said, these use a cable. So there's the port that you plug the cable in. So now I at least wish that these were wireless, because that's an advantage wireless headphones have. So with that said, thank you for watching. Make sure to comment, share, and subscribe below if you have not already. I'll see you next one. Peace out.